Small businesses across Southeast Michigan are adopting AI faster than many realize. Please note, this video is for informational and illustrative purposes only. It is not intended to be a legal consultation or legal advice. We always recommend that you speak with an attorney regarding the specifics of your situation. In Detroit, it's drafting marketing copy. In Ann Arbor, it's improving customer support and analytics. The promise? AI can help small teams compete with larger organizations. The risk? AI touches data, people, and decisions in ways that trigger legal duties, even when you just tested a tool. An AI-ready legal strategy isn't about slowing innovation. It's about building enough structure to use AI confidently without creating surprise liabilities later. Many owners assume they're not using AI because they don't have a machine learning team. But AI is embedded in your CRMs, help desks, email platforms, and design tools. The real risk? Shadow AI, when staff paste customer messages into chatbots or upload documents to AI summarizers without oversight. This is where confidentiality leaks and compliance gaps occur. Start by understanding what AI you're using and where it sits in your workflow. Then assess your risk profile. A retail shop writing Instagram captions has different risks than a clinic summarizing intake notes or a staffing firm screening applicants. If your tool influences hiring decisions, expect heightened legal scrutiny around discrimination. If it touches personal information, privacy obligations apply. If it makes claims to customers, consumer protection laws kick in. Michigan's Identity Theft Protection Act requires breach notices when personal information is compromised. Here's the catch. If an employee pastes customer data into an AI tool that retains prompts or shares them with vendors, you may have created a disclosure event, even without a hacker. The solution? Design usage rules that prevent sensitive data from entering unapproved tools. Align AI adoption with frameworks like the NIST Cybersecurity Framework to manage risk through governance, protection, detection, and response. AI expands your attack surface through new vendors, APIs, and data pathways. Set lightweight controls. Who can connect tools, what data can be used, how access is logged, and how incidents are reported. 3 areas demand special attention. First, hiring and workforce management. Any AI tool affecting resumes, screening, or performance analytics should be validated, monitored, and include human review to avoid discrimination and disparate impact. Second, customer communications. AI-drafted proposals or emails can introduce unintended warranties or liability shifts. Treat AI as a drafting assistant, not a legal authority. Have material legal language reviewed before use. Third, confidentiality and trade secrets. What goes into a prompt can become exposed. Classify data as public, internal, confidential, or restricted, and connect those classifications to clear AI usage rules. Make vendor contracts a priority. Understand whether your data trains models, how long vendors retain prompts, what security standards apply, and what happens at termination. If you can't negotiate terms, limit what data enters the tool. Keep AI marketing claims honest. If you say AI-powered, be prepared to prove it with documentation. Regulators warn that exaggerated AI claims are deceptive. Treat AI adoption as a life cycle. Define purpose before deployment, configure security during deployment, and monitor performance after. This approach gives you a defensible narrative if problems occur. The most successful AI adopters in Detroit and Ann Arbor share one trait: discipline about where AI belongs and where it doesn't. They accelerate drafting and analysis with AI, but reserve final decisions, especially those affecting people, money, or legal rights, for accountable humans. If you know what tools you use, control what data goes in, document how you monitor outputs, and maintain basic cybersecurity discipline, you can capture AI's benefits while staying on solid legal ground. For more guidance, contact Tishkoff plc at tish.law. Click to subscribe to our YouTube channel.